Welcome to Tistamini's YouTube channel. We thought it would be great to have some close-ups of the great products in our store. This is the Oathmark Orc Heavy Infantry set from North Star Miniatures, with Oathmark rules coming from Osprey Games. This multi-part kit comes in hard plastic and can make 30 figures in 28 millimeters. Let's get into the box and see what they are all about. First, you get 30 plastic bases for your force, which is great for rank and file games like Oathmark or perhaps some other rule sets. These orcs are perfect for other fantasy settings. The frames are essentially all the same, but plenty of options to mix and match these orcs to make them look different. With the Heavy Orc Infantry box set, there is plenty of shields and different types of heads, as well as weapons to create unique models. Perhaps the kit bashers out there will use these with some of North Star's other brands that we also carry in our store, such as Frostgrave, Stargrave, or some other miniatures known for customizing and kit bashing. Thank you for checking out the video. Please feel free to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and be part of the community.